Prepare to read. Have you heard The Nesting Bird? Genre study. Narrative nonfiction gives information but sounds like a story. Look for information about something real, words that describe sounds and things, a real setting. Set a purpose. As you read, stop and think if you don't understand something. Reread, look at the pictures, use what you already know, or ask yourself questions to help you figure it out. Power words. Stroll. Shingle. Shriek.
Have you heard The Nesting Bird? By Rita Gray, illustrated by Kennard Pack. Morning doves take their morning stroll. Cuckoo, cuckoo. Woodpecker calls from a tree with a hole. Cook-a-cook-cook-cook. Starling sings from a meadow pole. Whistle-ee, wee tree. But have you heard the nesting bird? What bird? Where? That robin nesting up there. Sparrow makes a simple jingle. Chittick, chittick, swallow slides from under a shingle. Ha ha, chit chit chit, ha ha, twitter twit. Crow calls out, come meet and mingle. Caw, 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 caw. But have you heard the nesting bird? Not a single tweet or trill. This nesting bird is so still. Cardinal wears a pointy hat. Cheer, 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 purdy, purdy, purdy. Chickadee is an acrobat. Chick-a-dee-dee-dee. Catbird sounds like a hungry cat. Meow, meow. But have you heard the nesting bird? It doesn't sing, not even a bit. All it does is sit and sit. Blue Jay's shriek is as sharp as a drill. Jay, 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 Jay. Whippoorwill has his favorite trill. Whippoorwill, whippoorwill. Wood thrush turns the twilight still. E-ole, e-ole. But have you heard the nesting bird? It hasn't sung a single song. This bird has been sitting for so long. Wait, what's that? Tapping, cracking. Something made a little sound. Breaking, shaking. The bird is starting to move around. Ruffle. The bird flew off with something blue. Cheeping, peeping. Look, another robin is coming too. The baby birds are here.
Turn and talk. Use details from Have You Heard the Nesting Bird to answer these questions with a partner. 1. Monitor and clarify. When you came to a part of the text you did not understand, what did you do to try to figure it out? 2. Why does the nesting bird sit so long? Talking tip. Ask a question if you are not sure about your partner's ideas. Why did you say,